Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to enable console mode on MSI monitor. First, turn on your MSI monitor and connect your console, such as a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, using a high-speed HDMI cable. Now press the joystick button or menu button on your MSI monitor to open the on-screen display menu. Then navigate through the menu options and look for input source gaming or console mode depending on your monitor model. Here, locate the console mode setting and enable it. Once enabled, the monitor can automatically accept a 4K signal from your console and display it correctly on a QHD panel while also supporting HDR on compatible models. This helps improve image quality compared to standard Full HD output and provides a better console gaming experience. After that, make sure HDR is enabled on your console if your monitor supports HDR. Now, if you're using a PlayStation 5 and want to enable 120 FPS gaming, go to the PlayStation 5 home screen, then open Settings. Next, select Save Data and Game or App Settings. Here, choose Game Presets. Now change the setting to Performance Mode. This allows supported games to prioritize higher refresh rates and frame rates. After making the change, restart the game you want to play. The game should now run at the highest refresh rate supported by both the game and your monitor. If your MSI monitor includes a built-in refresh rate display feature, you can enable it from the monitor menu to verify whether the screen is running at 60 Hz or 120 Hz. For the best results, make sure your monitor firmware is up to date and that you're using the correct HDMI port and cable capable of supporting higher refresh rates. Once console mode and performance mode are enabled, you'll be able to enjoy smoother gameplay, improved image quality, and better overall console performance on your MSI monitor. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.